So this DeLonghi, it's a brand new one, Pinguino. It's actually broken. When you turn it on, the output fan is not working properly. So when you turn on the vent mode, it won't open anymore. It's just like that. It should be open until here. So on this video we're gonna fix that. We're gonna open and fix it. Okay. See the fan. Whoa. And then it turns on. Cool. It works fine now. So we need to remove the screw here, the screw there, here, and this one here, also here, and the sides as well. One there and one here. Both on the sides. Here and there. So just gonna remove all of those. Then I need to remove the cap and this one. This is the thermostat, I guess. Like that.
You're playing your computer now?
Wait lang. Trying to fix the aircon.
Okay.
There you go. So it's just this one. Problem with this. What he needs to do is fan. Whoa. And then it turns on. Cool. It works fine now. It just needs to screw it properly. looks good. Perfect. Just like me. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. And it turns off. Yeah.